Find the composite functions f of g and g of f. F of x equals x plus 1, and g of x equals 1 over x. Right? And then what you're going to do is find f of g first, right? That equals f of g of x. And then that's really translated to doing g first and then f first, so we write g in the center. The innermost parentheses gets handled first. And g of x is 1 over x, so I'll just replace this by 1 over x. And then it'll be equal to f of x is x plus 1. So you take whatever's inside the parentheses and add 1, right? So 1 over x plus 1 is a whole number over 1. So you want to get it to equal your least common denominator. Least common denominator of 1 and x is going to be x. So multiply both the top and the bottom by x. So you get 1 over x plus numerator times numerator, 1 times x is 1x. Denominator times denominator, 1 times x is 1x. So the 1x plus x over x, because you don't have to write the 1, it's understood. Add your numerators, 1 plus x, and keep your denominators when you're adding fractions. 1 plus x over x. So f g of x is going to be 1 plus x over x. And then now you're going to do g of f. G of f is equal to g of f of x, which is equal to g of f of x, right? And f of x is equal to, let's see, x plus 1. So where you see this, I'm just going to write x plus 1 instead, because they're just equivalent. And g of x says to put whatever's inside parentheses and the reciprocal. So find the reciprocal of x plus 1, and that's going to be 1 over x plus 1. So GOF of x is going to be 1 over x plus 1.